Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, you get tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree reversing camera. Inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features sat-nav, as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. There's some good safety features with this car as well, including lane keeping assistance, blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. And some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine. It gives you 130 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done 6,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton.